welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. If you are new, I would love for you to take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button because all we have is good content and good hair products over here, okay? Today I am trying something a little bit different. I'm getting out of my comfort zone because, you know, it's about time that I do that. I'm going to be trying a twist and curl. And now that I said that, I forgot that I don't have my perm rods with me, so I have to go find them. But we're going to finish this intro. Basically, today we're going to be doing a twist and curl, but I'm using some products that I pass by on the shelf every single time I'm at the hair store, every time I'm at Walmart, whatever. I always just look these products by. I finally decided to buy them. And let me tell y'all, I was in the shower and I was like, I have to give them a complete review of these products because the shampoo and conditioner alone blew my mind. Today I'm using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Collection. I have all of their products except their oil. But to wash my hair, I use their shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to be giving you guys all the details in the product review that I will be filming because I'm in awe. And my hair is loving every single bit of it. I also went ahead and added some of their leave-in conditioner. This is their spray leave-in conditioner. I put this while I was in the shower already, just because it says it hydrates and shines the hair, and I felt like, why not just add a little bit more hydration, right? As you all know, I like to work in sections, so I have my 4 sections, and I'm gonna be starting off back here. If you saw my video, my previous video, then you would know that I cut my hair and it was a very spontaneous act. I don't regret it, but it was very crazy and it was kind of just like, you know, I woke up, I said I wanted to cut my hair, and so I decided to cut my hair. I am starting off by using their Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly or correctly. Can somebody please correct me? Thanks. It claims to hydrate and strengthen the hair. It is a leave-in cream. Like I said, I already put in some of the leave-in spray, but I don't see why I shouldn't go ahead and just put in some leave-in cream too, you know? It's a twist out, it's a twist and curl, so we're gonna do our best. Ugh. I always have to end up putting product on my face. Somebody come get her. This leave-in cream claims to hydrate and strengthen the hair. I've always been hesitant to purchase these products just because it has coconut oil. Well, this one and the shampoo, I believe. Yes, the shampoo and the leave-in cream have coconut oil. And my hair has never really been the type to like coconut oil. So, I don't know. But I am using this. And I always have like a good index finger's worth, and then I spread it across both hands. And I'm just gonna put this into that section. Oh my gosh. Like, I have to give you guys a review because this is amazing. Next, I am following up with the Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisture and Define Curling Cream. And this one claims to shape, hydrate, and add shine to natural coils and curls. I believe you, African Pride. I believe you because you've been doing everything good so far. I'm grabbing about this much, maybe a little bit more. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Everything in this product line smells amazing. I'm so happy. For my perm rods, I'm using these. You want to make sure that your hair is detangled well. Then you are going to start twisting. Okay, so I did about halfway through. And basically what I'm gonna do now is add in this perm rod. So you want to lock in the hair and then twist up. And then you want to hook it. I actually want to try that again. Maybe twist down a little bit more. Then I'm gonna twirl up. And then hook this. Boom. There is no gel or anything in my hair, so I'm really hoping that this holds for some time. So I want to go a little lower than I did the first time. And then I'm gonna stretch, right? So you lock in first, then you're gonna twist up, but you're not gonna like pile the hair on each other. You're gonna twist up like so. Does that make sense? Right? And then you're gonna take the little hook and hook it in. My hair is all twisted up with the perm rods. I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the hooded dryer for maybe about an hour or until my hair is dry. I decided to go for a side part or like a semi side part. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this, but I'm hoping for really good results. So once my hair dries, I'll be back and we're gonna go ahead and remove the twists and all that good stuff. It is the next day. Unfortunately, I was not able to sit under the dryer for an hour because I'm in quarantine and I got a lot of things to do that I don't typically do on a regular basis. So I was able to get my hair dried from one day to another. Actually, maybe I shouldn't start up front. Maybe I should start from the back. I'm a little nervous because I don't know what to expect. Oh, it really did like curl up though. Was this successful? Oh, guys. Let me not get too excited. So far, we know that I did the whole raveling thing correctly. I don't know how to feel. I feel like my hair is gonna look kind of empty because it's so short now. But let's see what happens. So I'm gonna start at the bottom. And I'm gonna start separating. But you want to make sure that whatever you are separating, you are then twisting in the side in which the curl was formed. So see, that was not the side. So then I have to twirl in. Oof. I'm excited. I really don't know how this is going to turn out, but I am very excited. Key to this is to separate the hair where it naturally separates. And I know I say that a couple of times in my twist out videos, but just to give those who don't understand the visual, basically what I do is just kind of like tease my hair a little bit. So I stretch it forward, right? And as you can see, like it's already starting to naturally separate. So like any of those empty spaces that you see, like, can you see that? Like right here, that's where I would separate, and then I'll twirl it just to keep the definition. And that rule applies to just any twist out, not just a twisting curl. I like to just stretch and then I feel it out if I can't see, and then I start twirling so that it keeps the definition, but I'm also fluffing it out enough so it looks fuller. And right here. I'm still getting used to the shortness of my hair, but one thing that I will definitely say is that I love the definition. I love the definition. So what I'm gonna do next is go in with a wide tooth comb. I can't find my pick, which is a usual problem, but I'm gonna go in with this comb and kind of just fluff it out. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my results. Okay, so I think my favorite part about this entire look, outside of the definition, because the definition is on 10, honey, 10, okay? These products really held these twists together. But outside of how defined my hair looks, the moisture, y'all, the moisture, the softness, the bounciness that's in my hair is out of this world. That's how vital it is for you to get these products. I am in awe. I'm still dealing with how short my hair is a little bit, but I feel like it looks good. It's just a matter of getting used to it. But these products, y'all, like, I'm not gonna stop talking about it. These products, African Pride, y'all did your thing with these products. It smells good, it feels good, it's fluffy, it's moisturized, it's just super amazing. I'm so happy. This is now the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching me go through my twist and curl for the first time adventure. I feel like it's a good video to use as a tutorial. Although it was my first time, it was very successful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.